So as you know, switching back and forth with the paddles, once you let go of the paddles and you leave it in a gear without either smashing the gas or controlling it up and down, it's going to switch automatically back to automatic, and you'll feel that and see that just like I did now. Gets back into drive and then switches back to the automatic gearing. This is an 8-speed transmission. You can switch in and out. It's great to control. It's good to find out and see how it controls, how it responds in the different gears. Great vehicle. Amazing power, the torque for the size. This is a Hemi motor. It's quite interesting how they crammed all that power and torque into these motors, into these big vehicles, and it handles pretty good. But you know, it can definitely get away from you if you don't know what you're doing. So you got to be careful in that respect. You know, respect the power, respect the ability. If you're not skillful in driving and doing certain things, obviously it's best that you know, for one, don't do them, or learn in a controlled environment to keep you safe and other people safe around you. But a great vehicle to enjoy. It's pretty roomy and spacious. The bucket seats they definitely hug you. It's a little tight for me. I'm a big guy. I'm a tall guy. I'm not that like wide or anything, but I was 6'2", about 210. So for me, the seats, the lower portion of the seats are a little tight or narrow, I'll put it. But still fits good. You know, pretty comfortable. Definitely enjoyable ride.